What do you recommend for brake pads and rotors for a Mark 8 GTI used for light track sessions once a month and regular street driving?
It's a lot of track sessions if you're going once a month.
Once a month is a lot, but you could say it's periodic.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But if those sessions are relatively light, regardless, that's good. Heavy flow track sessions can be problematic, but we have a line of upcoming pads that I would recommend waiting for. That's going to be the way to go.
Should we do street versus track as light versus heavy flow?
Yes.
Yeah, the street pads will be
careful
like
with the
2
analogies.
Advil.
Yeah.
Track pads will be 8 Advil. Yeah, there are probably other options. The Mark 8's pretty new, and I'm not sure who's supporting that. If you'd like some other options, I would steer you towards some of the higher Hawk options. The Hawk HPS and the HP Plus are not that heavy duty. They're basic glorified street pads. Paget RS14s are really nice.
Yeah, I will chime in. If you're indeed tracking anywhere near that much, I would get a trackpad.
Definitely a trackpad.
And get a trackpad, and ideally, I mean, a trackpad and a track set of rotors. Keep your rotors with your pads, and then when you swap back and forth, everything's bedded and broken in, ready to go. And then, if you are tracking that much, there's no such thing as, I would say, light tracking. You're going to put a lot more heat into it. Fluid flushes, get good brake fluid in there, and then just have a managed set of track pads and rotors, and things are going to last a lot longer and be a lot more consistent for you.